All right, let me show you the easiest way to create a website totally for free in Cloudflare using something called Cloudflare Pages. So first things first, we're going to log into Cloudflare at the top right. Very simple. We should know how to do this by now, and we should all have an account. On the navigation bar on the left, we're going to go to Compute and AI. The first one you should see is Workers and Pages. Click that. So this brings you to the Workers and Pages page. Now this is where you can create websites and various applications. We're going to start by going to the top right and creating an application. Now there's a few different ways you can create an application. You can use a template, you can import a GitHub repository, or you could simply drag and drop your files. We're going to do this for this exercise because it's the simplest way, and all it needs is an index.html file. That is all we need to get a website up and running. So first things first, let's give it a name. I'm going to call mine Hacker Terminal. This is going to be a Hacker Terminal themed website. So all we need to do now is drag and drop an index.html file. If you're not a developer, the best way to create a HTML file is using some sort of LLM. It could be ChatGPT, it could be Gemini, it could be Grok. So let's start by asking for a index.html file. All right, so I've said, give me a simple index.html file for a hacker themed website, and it's going to give me the code that I need. Very simple. You can, like, I've told it to give me a simple one because usually it creates like a full-blown website. And for this example, it's a bit too much, but you can do whatever you want. You can make up whatever theme you want. For this one, I've gone with a hacker theme. So let's continue with that. So the next thing we need to do is actually put that code into a file. I'm on a Mac laptop, so the way I like to do it is just through the command line. We can do a touch.index.html and then nano.index.html. Okay, we can paste that code in now, and once we see the code, we can exit and save it. Okay, and it's as simple as just uploading it from here. If you're on a Windows computer, it's even easier. You just right-click your desktop and create a new file, put that code in, and save it as index.html. So now let's upload the file. Don't wait for this to say uploaded, just press deploy. And this will take about 60 seconds to deploy. Because it's a static file, it's very small, and Cloudflare can spin it up in a very short amount of time. And we've now got a URL that we can simply click. And that's our website. So this is a hacker themed website. As you can see, very simple. It's just got some text, but it should be fully usable. And we can now use this website to continue with the activities of setting up some zero trust